If you don't chase your dreams now, one day you will have to work under others to make their dreams come true. What is being said? Take it to heart. Who is saying it does not matter. Even a beggar on the street can sometimes give you the most valuable advice in the world. Failure means failure. No one wants to know why and who caused it. If you fail, you will have to bear the pain all alone. No one will stand by you. So never make excuses. Never let others control your life. You must win. Please like and subscribe my channel.